Happy Monday everyone, just here with Cookie, my local wild cockatoo. This little guy comes around to the front patio to get me. He's very friendly and he's very tame. Still convinced he belongs to someone, but anyway, he's pretty sweet. And I have pigeons and doves and turkeys that all come down for the same thing, but not really wanting to attract the pigeons, to be honest. Hello, what you doing? Anyway, I thought I would try and make people's day. If you love parrots like me, keep following, and I will be posting as much as I possibly can. He's trying to drag the cup away from me. But anyway, that's Cookie for you for today. I hope you have a really good week ahead and keep watching to see more adventures on this beautiful cockatoo of mine here.